We've seen that we can use a calculator to evaluate any common log or any natural log. If you need to evaluate a log with a different base, you may use one of these approaches. If you have a TI-84, most of them anyways, in the math menu, you'll select log base and complete the log on your screen, and I'll show you this shortly. Otherwise, you'll have to use a fourth property for this section known as the change of base property. The change of base property says that any log can be rewritten in the base of your choosing. This is useful because we can write any log into the natural or common logs, which are on our calculators. Okay, so example 6, we want to evaluate the log of 2,506 base 7. So if your calculator does not have log base in the math menu, then what you want to do is rewrite this as the log, and this is the common log base 10, of 2,506 divided by another log of 7. Notice there are two logs here. This is not one single log of 2,506 over 7. It's the log of this divided by another log of this. Okay? And so if you type this into your calculator, you'll have log 2,506, close the parentheses, divided by another log of 7, close the parentheses. And so we get 4.022. Okay. Another thing that works as well is rather than using the base 10 log, you could also use the natural log. So you could say the natural log of 2,506 divided by the natural log of 7. Okay? Because again, you can choose whatever base you would like when you use the change of base property. Okay? So if we did it that way, you'll see you get the exact same answer. The natural log of 2,506 divided by the natural log of 7. And we get the exact same answer. The other approach is if you have a calculator that can do this, then you don't necessarily need to worry about the change of base property. So if you have a TI-84 Plus with this capability, you press the math menu, and if you scroll up, you'll see option A is log base. So select that, and when you go back to your screen, you'll see a log ready for you to complete. So you'll type in 7, arrow over, and then type in 2,506. So it looks just like we would write it. Press enter, and you get the exact same answer that we got from the change of base property.